Smoke from wood heaters and fireplaces can pollute the air and be harmful to our health and the health of our neighbours. Buying, operating and maintaining the right wood heater can reduce smoke pollution. When buying a wood heater, make sure that it meets Australian standards and is fitted by a licensed installer. Before winter every year, make sure your heater's flue and baffle plate are clean. This will prevent unnecessary smoke, flue fires, and ensure the heater works in the right way. Ensure that the wood you're burning is dry and seasoned. When setting your fire, leave about 2 centimetres of ash at the base to help with lighting the fire. To start your fire the right way, use plenty of paper and dry kindling, instead of large pieces of wood that produce a lot of smoke during the initial stages of burning. Place small pieces of wood above the kindling. Place more paper on top of the wood. This creates an updraft that helps the fire get started. Keep the heater door slightly open for a short period to increase the airflow. Don't leave a fire unattended while the door is open. Once the fire is burning well, close the heater door. Then fully open the air supply vent. This will make sure the fire burns quickly. After 10 to 15 minutes, add some mid-size logs. Don't pack the heater too full to make sure that air can circulate and your wood burns properly. If your heater has a fan, turn it on now and keep the air vent open. After another 10 to 15 minutes, you can add bigger logs. Once your big logs are in, fully open your heater's vent for 20 minutes. This will make sure your fire burns well. To reduce smoke, don't close the airflow completely. Set your vent high enough to keep the fire burning brightly. And never let your wood heater smoulder, especially overnight. Let it burn down instead. This produces less smoke and air pollution. For more information about smoke and air quality, visit our website epa.vic.gov.au.